Welcome to Tech Solution.
At&t router blinking red. At&t router red light mean. A blinking red light is never a good sign. That's especially true when it is coming from your internet equipment. When your At&t router is blinking red light, which means the gateway or power supply might be malfunctioning. Reasons At&t router red light blinking. 1. The At&t network is down. 2. Disrupted power supply or connection. 3. Issues with hardware. 4. There is a problematic network device. 5. Updates are needed. Fix At&t router blinking red light. 1. Try moving your router. Moving your router to a more central location within your home or closer to where you usually utilize your phone, laptop, tablet, etc., should improve wireless signal strength and connectivity. Two. Restart your router. If you're having trouble connecting to the internet, rebooting your router can often resolve the issue. Simply disconnect the power cable from your router, wait about 10 to 15 seconds, and plug it back in to restart and establish a connection fully. 3. Power cycle your router. The next step is similar to restarting, but it involves turning off the router and disconnecting it from the switchboard for a more extended period of time, usually around 1 to 2 minutes. This can help clear any residual issues and refresh the router settings. 4. Check At&t service status for outages. You can check At&t's official website or download their mobile app to see if there's a service outage in your area. Sometimes, the blinking red light could be due to a more significant network issue that At&t is aware of and working to resolve. 5. Ensure there are no loose wires. The final step in troubleshooting your router is to ensure the cables are all connected properly. The power cable, Ethernet cables, and coaxial cable should all be securely plugged in and free of damage. Loose or damaged cables can lead to connectivity problems.